This is a special block. You can block every attack by using only one block. Not only that, can also be used as a punch. No need to use several punches and blocks. Now you can use only one block or one punch. You don't need to do much this way. Doing so because of teaching. This is a most powerful punch as well as a block. It is most powerful just like a knife. Your opponent, even if hit by leg or punch or another, you can use like this. Now I think you can understand these advantages. Master Bruce Lee say, practice the same thing dangerous other than